What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? So we're bringing you this video because we've got some lost footage. We lost an SD card, which is very unfortunate. You know, it's never fun when you lose footage. Very important footage that we lost, but we're gonna have to make do with what we got and improvise. So I'm putting this into the front of the video that you're about to watch. We lost the beginning footage of loading into the truck the motor. So we're gonna start here, and what footage we do have, that's where it will pick up and go from there. But it's still gonna be a good video. Stay tuned and let's go. All right, before we leave, we decided that we're gonna cut this tailpipe off because this sticks out like a sore thumb compared to the other side. Yeah, we're gonna get to chopping this thing off.
But I'm gonna have to do it from the other side.
Just like that, boys. That's butter.
That's yours?
Tell you what, it might not be the straightest cut, but
Hey,
It'll do for now.
bet you it's gonna sound different.
We're gonna install a 3-inch exhaust all the way through. So a little dab will do you.
so what we got to say is a little pipe is no pipe at all.
What up, TJ?
What's up?
So good.
Cutting off some stuff off the
We're
truck.
cutting off and doing some modifications to little Jimmy.
Cut off the exhaust. That way you gotta do
Change of plans, guys. So since the heads on this motor have got to go to the machine shop as well, we're gonna go ahead, pull the heads off of this and take them with this block and get it all reworked. So we're gonna go ahead and pull these heads off. Alright guys, so we've come to the realization, which I already knew this, but we was going to give it a shot anyway, just to try to get the heads off and get them to the mechanic shop or the machine shop at the same time as the block. But the body's going to have to come off, so we're going to have to drop the K-member, the motor, and the transmission all in one unit. So we're going to save that for another video, but let's go ahead and get this motor to the machine shop. Sorry if the wind is a little crazy, kind of picked up on us here recently, but let's go to the machine shop. Alrighty guys, so we made it to the machine shop. We got the motor unloaded already. Got it in here on a cart. And he's gonna go to work on it, get it cleaned up, honed out, new freeze plugs. I'm not sure if we're gonna turn the crank yet. We're gonna get new pistons, rocker arms for it, but yeah.
There's a 921, 910. Righty, he's leaving. He's gonna go to, where's it, that one. He just finished building a funny car. Hasn't even put on the strip yet.
How's it go?
Yeah, so he'll be gone.
Y'all built that motor in that car?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yeah, well, Damon, that guy built that one, and he built that one.
Oh, nice.
He built that one, the Scorpion. In fact, they're going to start production again.
Oh, wow.
We have another company called Downback Engines, which is strictly performance engines for Mopar.
Right.
So it's called Downback, and there's Damon Coon and Diamondback Engines.
That's a sick looking car.
It's called Scorpion.
Scorpion.
Yeah, Scorpion. It's a carbon fiber body, but so high.
Right.
They made a movie with it. Bruce Willis.
Oh, okay.
Schwarzenegger saw it and he drove it. Those are just cores that we use sometimes for checking the camshaft when we put the bearings in.
Yeah.
To make sure they're okay good.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm gonna send mine off to get my cam, and I'm getting a Lloyd Elliott cam.
Alright. You know, we do a lot with
Huh? Okay, guys. So we got the motor out of the truck and to here, and we got it to a fellow friend's City Machine. Here's their card. Go check them out. They're in Rosenberg, Texas. And go get them. They do all kinds of heads and engines, clean them up. And so they'll be doing mine, and hopefully it'll be done this week. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, guys. So we came to our fellow spot Yantas, and well, you see, it turns out they're stretch belts in the tire. So we're gonna go ahead and get all brand new tires on little Jimmy and get all new lug nuts. So yeah, Yantas hooked us up today. What you got to say?
Yeah, guys, if you're ever in Rosenberg, I've been coming to these guys since I was probably Jonathan's age, 15 years old. They've always treated us well, always gives us good prices. Just Yantas in Rosenberg off of Highway 90. You need new tires, you need a tire fix, they'll hook you up. They take care of their customers. They really do. Excellent customer service.
And we're gonna take those home and we're gonna smoke those down.
Yeah, those are gonna be burner tires.
Yeah, guys, turns out we got some stuff done today. Got the motor taken to City Machine, got the tires getting here, and got a step further to pulling out the motor on my car. So let's see what they got. Okay guys, so here's the deal. Here's what happened. He put on a set that we said to put on, but then we got to looking and we're like, let's try a different pair. So he hit us up with a different pair that are way better looking, and they have letters on them just like the old ones. So we're gonna take the old ones and we're gonna burn them down. That out. Got brand new tires. The other one had stretch belts, so let's get on the road. Oh guys, y'all just missed it. I'm sorry I wasn't recording. But this dude in this Altima, so we're sitting here and we're about to just throw a little quick mist on it. So he ran out of quarters or the time, and there's soap on the ground, and he's literally using the brush and putting it on the ground and then putting it on the rims with all the rocks, all the dirt, all the mud to get into the paint. Like, come on. That's why all those brushes are so bad.
That's why you don't use a brush at a car wash.
Never.
Don't
Well,
use a brush, period.
And now
ever.
he's putting more quarters in.
Okay guys, so we made it back home. As you've seen, we got some new tires and it rides a whole lot better. Being these are older style 50s and 60s series, we just went ahead and bought brand new ones. They didn't have any used ones because those tires are not used, or they're not that common anymore. So we got some brand new shocks. We just went with some cheap Monroe shocks for now. We're just gonna give this thing a little TLC and get it back riding good for now before we redo everything, because I want to kind of keep the truck rolling. I don't want to completely tear it down to where it's immobilized, and we're just gonna get it back in decent riding shape, give it some drivability. But we didn't have an air cleaner, as you've seen in previous videos. I've got to redo that stud. That's, for some reason, Quadrajet studs are much smaller than that, so I'm gonna have to find the right stud for it. But at least we got an air cleaner on it. I'm gonna cut that stud off for time being, and just giving it a little TLC. But she's coming along, a little here and a little there. But those shocks were trashed. Yeah, I would say those have been on there for quite some time.
Low miles.
Put it on put it on the ground and try to push it.
No.
Oh yeah. Look
And
at
they don't
that.
even
Look
come
at
back up.
that. Wow.
They're done.
Those mierda.
Trash.
Ooh, they're blue.
Oh, they matched the truck.
Yeah, that's
I didn't even think about
How
it.
do you get this?
I wouldn't pull that off yet. I'd get it on there and then cut it and let it come down to the hole. That'd be the
I gotta
smart
find
way
that
to do
lock.
it.
Oh, here's one of them.
Right here. Here's your whole kit of
God,
hardware.
Something fell on my face. Oh,
There's your whole set of hardware.
Open up that other one.
For what?
Okay guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. And make sure, if you haven't and if you're new, go hit the subscribe button. And if you already have, make sure you leave a like, share, and subscribe. And be sure to comment down below. And that's about it, guys. So if you want to see more on this old thing, this old truck, if you want to see more on it, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you'll get all the notifications. Hit the bell. But I cannot show y'all that way because our new car is right there, and we've got to get to the reveal. So I'm not gonna show y'all now, but if y'all do want to see it, it's already up on our Instagram and our Facebook. So go follow us on there and you'll be able to see it. And don't leave yet. No. Whoa. Before you leave, check this out real fast.